Hello everyone, welcome to How to Hub. Today's topic is to how to create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Go to YouTube website. Visit YouTube. Click on the sign in button in the top right corner. If you have a Google account, use it to sign in. If not, then create one by clicking on create account and follow the prompts. You can choose between for myself or to manage my business. Select the one that applies to you. Fill out your information, enter your details, enter your first name and last name in the provided fields. Fill out other required information like date of birth and gender. Choose a unique username for your email address. Create a strong password and confirm it by typing it again. Click next. Verify your phone number. Google may ask you to enter your phone number for verification and security purpose, especially if you are setting up an account for business use. Enter your recovery email address, which can help you recover your account if you forget your password. Then accept terms and conditions, review privacy and terms, read through Google privacy policy and terms of service carefully. Then click on I agree after reviewing these documents. Then come to your YouTube website. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select your channel from the drop down menu. If this is your first time setting up a channel, you will see an option that says create channel. Click it. You will be prompted to either use your name or create a custom name for your channel. Now, step 3. Click customize channel and go to the branding tab. Upload a profile picture. This could be your logo or any image representing you. And banner image, recommended size is 2560 and 1440 pixels. Under the basic info tab, write a compelling description of what your channel will offer, topics you will cover, posting schedule, etc. Then add links to your social media accounts or website if applicable. Before uploading, ensure you have a video ready to share. Make sure it meets YouTube's community guidelines. So this is how you can create a YouTube channel step by step very easily.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.